रोबोटिक्स किट है।
But you were also
इसमें
saying that we have one more, few more.
मॉडल्स हैं।
ऐसा सा है वो?
सर ने नहीं बोला, वो
मैकेनिक्स का ही
नहीं, मुझे कुलवंत सर ने कल बोला that we have more boxes like this.
बस मैकेनिक्स और जायफल के
ठीक है, ये मॉडल्स हैं जो हम इसके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए स्टेप वाइज दे रखा है, उसमें कंपोनेंट्स दे रखे हैं कि कौन से कंपोनेंट कितने लगेंगे। ठीक है, कितने नट्स लगेंगे, कितने बोल्ट लगेंगे। लाइकवाइज देयर 6 नट्स एंड 6 बोल्ट्स। ALB 7 1 piece, AB 5 2 piece, A7 2 piece. No, shall we open this?
Yes. How many children can be attended here at one time?
Ma'am, you can make the 6 group of 12
Six.
students with the one kit. Like
6 groups of 12
six,
children.
6 group of 6. That means 2 group. With the help 12 student can make.
Oh, okay. 2
object
groups
का-
of 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like कहते हैं one team you can given this and the second team you can given this.
Yeah, right.
ठीक है, तो you are having 2 kids, so you can assign 24 student at a time some projects. जो टिंकर कैड है इसी में दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर टेस्टिंग द ऑर्डिनो प्रोजेक्ट्स।
Okay.
तो बड़ी देर पहले वो टॉय वाली शॉप से सुबह की समय निकल करना गया है।
अब समझो।
ये यहाँ पे भी आए थे, साइंस में भी आए थे, सुनने को आया। अजय सर सॉरी अर्शदीप सर कहते थे कि आया था, इनका कभी कराया तो है नहीं।
एक्चुअल में क्या होता है कि टॉय शॉप पे जाके ना हम बच्चों को ये लेके नहीं देते नॉर्मली, ठीक है, और ले भी देते हैं तो विट डजंट माइंड इट कि ये है क्या। और सीधी सी बात है, अगर नॉर्मल पेरेंट्स हैं जो टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से नहीं है वो भी नहीं जान पाते कि इसका करें क्या, इसके साथ करें क्या। ठीक है, तो होता क्या है, ये थोड़े दिनों बाद घूमते फिरते मिलते हैं कहीं ना कहीं। ठीक है,
लेकर आए थे एक बार, पता नहीं किसी ने दी थी।
टू टाइटन द बोर्ड। ठीक है, कई बार क्या होता है हम ऊपर से टाइट करते हैं बट बोर्ड नीचे से रिवॉल्व कर जाता है, तो इससे ग्रिप करिए और इससे टाइटन करिए। ठीक है जी, या अगर ये नहीं मूव कर पाता तो इसको होल्ड कर लीजिए और इससे मूव कर। ठीक है, अब हमारे पास पहले 6 नट एंड 6 बोल्ट। बोल्ट दिस इज नट।
This is not. Okay. ठीक है।
ऊपर में कुछ पता नहीं।
देखिए, अगर प्लेट नहीं पता लग रही, यू हैव टू नो द एग्जैक्ट प्लेट, जस्ट कैलकुलेट द होल्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7।
Okay.
No, see which plate having 7 holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। So take it out।
One plate are there. 1 and 1 2. Okay. 2 plates are there.
Yeah. In the model, in the step 1, they have told us to take these 2 plates and take to this is single this, because there is a difference between these and this. There are two holes, and this
Has one
having
hole.
so only single hole.
Hmm.
So you have to select two piece of single hole and one piece of this.
सिंगल वन डबल
Yeah,
It's written here now, two pieces.
two pieces
One
and
piece,
the one
two
piece.
piece, one piece.
Okay, okay.
It never asks in which file I should open
Oh.
the document. iPhone never asks.
I know.
Android, where should which one? Remember my choice? I'm using one. Bold option is not there.
What option?
Bold.
Ah,
In
bold
Android.
option.
It's like, what is this? Survive without bold.
This make sure the space is lot, because the swamp parts can be run here to there.
Yes.
Hmm. It won't be found.
Always be doing here on the table. This one.
Oh. You won't keep anything on this table specifically.
Maybe clear this.
We need a bigger table in the center with the.
I think with
Right,
plates
so we
or
have two
something
tables.
will also be very good.
Remove
ये दोनों-
all the systems.
We'll
are there
remove all
from
this
here.
stuff. This will be vacant. These two tables.
But we need a bigger table here
Okay.
and some थोड़ा सा किनारे ऊँटे होने चाहिए उसमें कि
हाँ।
मतलब लगाना बीच में लाके लगाएं तो नीचे नहीं
साइड में ना जाए इसका।
लाइक देयर इज अ बिल बोर्ड ना जो
हाँ।
वैसा कुछ होना चाहिए
आपका वो हो जाएगा, उसको कारपेंटर को बुलाइए, स्ट्रिप्स आती है, लाइक स्ट्रिप्स लगवाइए और तब वो बिन बन जाएगा।
और बीच में ना
Otherwise-
कुछ बिछा ले ताकि वो
Otherwise the
कुछ
problem
मैट
is
सॉर्ट
that
ऑफ ताकि नहीं तो अदरवाइज
these product will protect.
मैं चलूँ पेपर चेक कर लूँ
in part of robotics.
Oh,
In this,
that 3D printer and all.
yeah,
6
Right
to
from
8.
6?
right from because the Tinkercad is there, and you can let them.
All this soldering also, can we teach them or some
No,
secret?
no.
So this is for
Coding
seniors,
has to
right?
be start from the 9th.
9.
3D printer they cannot destroy. Na soldering they can destroy each other's face even. 6th class though it won't be good.
This is not for all the students. This
Yes.
is something where you have interest. Then you need
Yes.
to find out the students who is interested.
You have to
And not
put
the
a filter.
and not interest like my friend is doing it so I want to do it or
Some are
everyone is
very,
doing it.
Like they feel happy to doing things.
Yes.
You should not be here.
Some student will come with a very
So
good
we can't
in
ask-
this type of maybe he's not good in the grades.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I mean it is not about asking if you're interested or not, it is about finding the interested
Yeah.
children.
You have
They always say I.
Yes,
It
sir.
is under your chair, sir.
So we're taking out 6 ml. How do you get to know 6
That
ml
a
is?
small, there is small and one other one is large.
Okay.
Then a large one is 18 mm and
Okay.
the smaller one is 16 mm.
6 mm. Okay. And what about the bolts?
Bolts is same for the
Both.
yeah, because the diameter is the same.
Okay, so bolts are same but it is just about the nut.
Yeah.
The bigger one are 18 and the
Yeah.
smaller one are 6.
Yeah.
If we have a motor and if you want to install that motor into this and make
You can
work it-
this, sir. I am also telling
See,
this. You can attach the Arduino with this. You just take these objects and given to the 6 to 8 student, and let them make this model, and then shifted this model to the 9 to the 12 students, and tell them to attach the Arduino to this object and let them run.
I still have a question.
Arduino is nothing but
Arduino
this
is
device.
3D printed
Yeah.
stuff
Or
which
Arduino is a
is,
main
what is
motherboard
Arduino?
which you
That
have,
lighting
which
one
is
which we
used
did.
for programming.
That is
lighting?
Arduino.
That is a,
lighting?
you can say, processor,
3D matrix.
नहीं
which will do all the works
जो
with the
गाड़ी
along
तो
with
नहीं
the
चुकेगी।
3D matrix.
sensors and all with the motors. That is the
Let's
main
ask
base.
him only
Actually,
one.
today is
Sir,
my
question.
birthday, that's why.
Sir, question.
Yeah,
When we talk about Arduino,
yeah.
what is Arduino?
The
The 3D matrix.
The plate which we have used for the programming is called Arduino.
I told you yeah.
Acha.
Arduino
Okay.
Uno.
The plate
That
which we
is-
have used,
yeah,
in
that-
which we inserted the
Coding and
wires.
all,
Yeah, that is a main plate which you have to use in all the projects.
Because it
This one?
contains the IC
It contains
This one?
the IC which contains the program.
program. All programs are already there.
No. You have to insert the program. The programming will be done in the Sharp C and the platform.
C# only,
Yeah,
not in Python.
no, not in Python.
Sir, Rahul sir, this
Or you
one we
can
are talking
say-
about?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. We are talking about this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can say the C or C++ with special feature.
Yes, which is that.
Like the directory you have, we have used that LEDs matrix directory, which you never seen in the C or C++.
Generally in school syllabus we don't
We don't have. So that's why I have told the ma'am already that don't push the student to do the programming, because the programming cannot be done in the few days. Sharp C is, or if you will start from the C, it will take very much long time.
6-7 months.
Then,
very
and
neat.
that programming is advanced program.
Yeah. So you have to take the support from the Arduino.cc, and that is for coding,
Arduino.cc
and it will take
Any
some
program?
for programming.
AUR
DIN
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 CC.
So we go to the site on
Yeah,
Google.
on Google,
And from
you
here-
will get
The
all the
programs.
type of necessary helps
Okay. Regarding everything.
regarding Arduino or regarding
Arduino.
any project, you can
Which is
see
connected to
lots
Arduino.
of projects are there.
Hmm.
If you want, you can filter the projects like for the beginner, for the mediocre, for the experts level.
Okay. Right.
And for Arduino there is no login website, it is free of cost.
Yeah,
Take
it is open source, and programming base is also an open source program, that is Arduino program, and we have installed in all the 3 cases. So you can start the programming from here.
So in that motherboard there is a IC.
Yeah.
We can program and reprogram it again and
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
And what is the code for that IC?
That is at Mega 328.
We can get it from market.
Yeah, you can get it from the market, but the IC is in the form of SMDs. When in the old model of at Mega, you can see the IC in the form of which you can disassemble. But in case these new plates, the SMDs cannot be removed.
It cannot be.
Yeah.
They are inbuilt.
They are inbuilt. So if you want the removable IC plates, you can ask my boss, that is VP Singh, which will provide that particular PC.
More we use generally 555 IC है ना?
No, sir. 555 is for clock generation, but at here we will use the Atmega 328 or Atmega 1628.
If we want to reprogram or
According to Arduino, we will use the Atmega 328 or Atmega 1628. And there is a crystal of 2 megahertz along with the clock, because you have the clock frequency will be generated only by the crystal. And there is a power circuit which is used for the backup of the backup for the digital clock, because whenever the light has gone, the digital clock has to be run. Like in our computer, there is a BIOS cell is used. For that purpose, there is a 9-volt battery is used, which is already given to your school in the package.
ना वो है
वो
बैटरी चार्जर्स
Yeah,
हाँ
this one.
दैट्स वो से कि आएंगे
I have already tally it with the bills along with Swati ma'am.
The PDF, he sent me one PDF that I've uploaded in the Google Sheet only.
It's a very lengthy video.
It's all about
No, it
the
is around
sensors.
52 pages.
It's all about the sensors which you are having.
Read.
And
So which one are these? This one? This is?
this is more than 18 mm.
This is more than 18 mm. Okay. Then the smallest one is 6.
6.
This one is 18 and this one is more than 18.
Yep.
Okay, there are 3. Oh, in both?
both
Yep.
We got the wheel type thing separately, na?
Yeah.
The wheels were separate. Actually, what were those? The wheels I saw somewhere else as well. The yellow, it was in yellow color.
That's a robotics kit.
Okay, that is different.
Yeah, that is a different.
रोबोटिक्स किट में पूरा रोबोट
हाँ
That is why I'm saying, na, I saw the
हाँ,
wheels
किया।
when we took it
नहीं
out.
किया ना
Using, oh, okay, the red, green, yellow, blue one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll use this and we'll put it here.
Yeah. You will make the 4/8.
Okay.
1/8, 2/8 for hours and
Okay.
2/8 for minutes.
What is the use of this with soldering?
Ma'am, because you have to make the 7 segments using this, so that the timer can be displayed. No?
Acha, so it is to join them.
Yeah.
Okay. The mechanic.
तभी तो welding
We are welding. Nice. Acha, but that is the reason we have this magnifying
Yeah,
glass
yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Because it will be a bit, delicate thing.
Yeah.
Small one as well.
And you have to see them.
And we can have different colors also.
Yeah.
We can use different colors. We have
Yeah.
red,
Likewise,
green, blue.
You can make the 8 using red color, and the dots between the hours and minutes that can be using yellow or maybe by green.
Okay, right. ठीक है, so we learned this mechanics today. We learned how to, मतलब not right now. We'll learn how to use these LEDs here with the help of the circuit you'll be sending us.
Yeah.
Right.
And you have
You will learn how to
you
use
have learned the 3D
3D
printing.
3D printing. I can be assured that we have learned that. This we have learned the LED matrix. How does this work? The circuit thing. The circuit exact chart you will be sending
The
us.
2 projects has been made
Yes.
using your Arduino.
Yes.
And the 3 or more project has been done by the 3D printing.
Right.
And we are connecting this. After completion of this, the one mechanics project will be made.
Right. And we're already done with windmill.
This is done. And after that, I will let you.
Which is not
have
working right now.
any type, whatever you want.
Right.
इसमें क्या किया था सर